guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. Stitch Fix time! As you can tell, today is a Stitch Fix video. I got some pretty good items this month. Again, I'm sticking with the rule of only keeping one or two if I truly like something, which I may be keeping two this time. But I am sticking with that rule, not buying everything just because it would be cheaper to do it or I kind of sort of like these things. So none of that. We're only keeping one or two at the most. For this month, I asked for high-waisted shorts and or jeans. I asked for overalls, but they're shorts. I think that's what people are referring to them as. They're short-alls. And I think I said because I was going back to work soon, which I actually have already gone back. I came off a furlough early, so yay for that. I think I asked for like just tops that I could either wear to work or could be used for like a date night or something like that. They weren't able to find me any short-alls, which I kind of anticipated, but I figured I'd ask. But I did get sent some high-waisted shorts and jeans and some really nice tops that could be worn to work. I also got a dress. So for this fix, pair of shorts, pair of jeans, dress, a short sleeve shirt, and a long sleeve blouse. So like I said, I am probably keeping two this time. I've been doing pretty good at just doing one for the past few fixes, but there were two in this fix where I was just like, they both look really good on me. I'm gonna have to get them because I like them. So I am gonna start with the items that I am keeping this month. Usually I save the one I'm keeping for last or I alternate, whatever. So for this fix video, I am going to start with the two that I'm keeping and then I'll show you the three that I'm sending back. So the first one I'm keeping is this top by Mix by Hawthorn, which I really love that brand. And it is the Emmy V-neck tie front top. If you've been watching my Stitch Fix videos for a while, you know I kind of cheat. And so when I get that email that says your fix has shipped, and immediately go onto the app and pretend that I'm checking out to see what items I'm getting because I'm impatient. And so when I first saw this top on the app before it got here, I thought it was black and white. It's definitely navy and white, which I'm not upset about because I love navy. I just would have really liked black and white because it kind of reminded me of Jack Skellington for some reason. But I actually really like this top. Now, in a recent Stitch Fix video, I believe I mentioned how I'm not too big of a fan on like tie things in the front. For this top, it actually really works for me. I like it a lot. This is a perfect top, like a perfect transitional piece, but it's also good to wear to the office, but it would also be good for like a date night or something. So I love this top. Absolutely no stretch whatsoever. It is still a little loose on me and I think it's supposed to have that looser fit to it. Zero stretch, so pretty true to size. It's just a navy and white striped top with a little bit of a V-neck. Again, it does have this tie front. This is a size small, which is my standard size. Sometimes I wear extra small if I want a tighter feel. I like the loose feel for this one. I wouldn't want this to be too snug because again, zero stretch. So I wouldn't want it to be too snug on me. And I feel like this will look good with this would look good probably with like olive pants. I like that idea. Also looks good on jeans. So that's why it's a nice versatile piece. Can wear it to work, but can also wear it out and about. Again, this is a size small and this retails for $44, which I don't think is a bad price for a nice blouse like this. This is definitely one item that I am keeping. This was probably the first item that I decided on that I was keeping when I was trying to decide if I was gonna keep one or two. This was like, I have to. I love this one. And so the second item that I am probably going to keep, and I have a variety of reasons why I want to keep these, are these high-waisted jeans by Just USA. These are the Lola high-rise cropped skinny jeans. So absolutely love skinny jeans. They're probably my favorite kind. I'll wear boot cut, but I'm not as keen on them. Not a flare person, anything like that. I like skinny jeans. There is one aspect of this that I don't really like, but I'm willing to make it work, and that is the button front instead of it just being like one button and a zipper. I'm always terrified that I'm gonna have to pee so bad and I'm not gonna be able to get out of my pants because I'm constantly trying to do buttons. That's my main holdup, but it's not enough for me to be like, nah. So these jeans, first of all, I like the color. I don't have anything that's like this light wash, so I do really enjoy these. Now, Something that's different about these jeans that I don't really own is that these jeans have no distressing to them, no tears or anything, which is not usually my thing. I like to go for the super distressed jeans, the super torn jeans. These don't have any. So the reason why I'm keeping this is, there are a multitude of reasons other than the fact that these are some really soft jeans. Don't know how Stitch Fix does it, but they always find the softest jeans, which I feel like those words don't go well in a sentence together, but they do for this pair. So with these jeans, because there are no tears in them, I could wear these to work. Sometimes we're allowed to wear jeans to work. Even during the academic year when students are in and everything like that, we sometimes get like a jeans Friday, something like that. They ask us not to wear jeans that have distressing or have any rips in them, or at least not too many, and most of my jeans have quite a few rips and tears in them. I've got like maybe one pair that just has like a little hint of distressing, but they still don't like that. They like to see a nice just solid pair of jeans. That is where these come in. I don't really own any pair of just regular jeans. I think I have one, it's a darker wash, so I like the fact that this is a lighter wash. So that is one of the main reasons why I'm keeping it. It's also, again, super soft, but I really like that these are high-waisted. And I asked for high-waisted, and I'm so glad that high-waisted is a thing now. They also look really good with the top that I'm keeping. My stylist for this month, Amanda, said to pair these jeans with the top that I'm keeping. So you'll see in the video, the try-on video, I'm actually wearing the top with these jeans, and it looks really good together. So I was like, I gotta keep them. They look good. So these are a size 2 or a 26 waist, and they retail for $58, which some people may think is expensive for a pair of jeans, but if they're good quality, I'm willing to pay that money. So those are the 2 items that I am keeping. Let's just go right on into the ones that I'm not keeping. The first thing I'm not keeping are these shorts, these denim shorts by Judy Blue. These are a size 2. These are the Lilian Tacked cuff shorts, and they retail for $44. They were nice shorts, but I have shorts pretty much just like these. I think it was actually from a previous Stitch Fix. Not the same company, but just very similar. It's very similar in wash, very similar in fit. So it's like, why do I need 2 pair of that? I do like how they feel though. It's a nice darker wash. They got a little bit of distressing going on. So do the shorts I already own. So I'm gonna save that $44, and as much as I would like to have multiple pairs of similar shorts, I just don't see a point. Again, these retail for $44. So if this is something that you like, if you're interested in a nice pair of jean shorts with a little bit of distress, then I will say they are high-waisted as well, which I really liked. So if you're into high-waisted jean shorts, these are a really nice pair. They fit comfortably. They fit pretty close to the skin, so there's not too much of a gap here in the thighs. If you're into that, these are a good one. The next item I'm not keeping is this yellow top by West Key, or Kai, K-E-I, not sure how that's pronounced. It's a size small. For me, it was just too billowy, and I know I could get an extra small, but I don't know, it was just too, I like the coloring. This is yellow with brown. Hopefully it shows up on camera, but the flowers, the like detail in the flowers is brown. I love yellow. Yellow is one of my favorite colors. Yellow looks all right with my hair color. It just didn't wow me. I forgot to say, but this is the Allura Knot Detail Blouse. Size small, $42. So again, for a blouse that I'm just not wowed by, $42 seems expensive. I like it enough, it's okay, but not enough for me to justify spending $42 on it. This has not a similar knot to the blouse that I am keeping, whereas that one is a tie and I could actually untie it and then tie it and blah, blah, blah. This is a knot down here. So it's like, doesn't even have any stretch. It's just like that into the shirt, where it is this knot. Wasn't feeling it. Again, okay, just not wowed by it. And the final item that I'm not keeping is the dress that I mentioned, which is this really pretty dress by Daniel Rainn. Love Daniel Rainn's products. I have a few items from that brand. And this is the Alexine dress, size small, and it's $78. So that right there was like my first like, ooh, that's really expensive. Maybe not so much. So this dress, if you can't tell, it is mostly burnt orange with some navy and white detailing. It's like floral all over it, which I normally would love. I love this color scheme. I love orange and navy with some white, but this dress had a weird fit on me. I talked about before how I feel like I've got broader shoulders, so I don't want anything to accentuate it. I definitely felt like this dress accentuated it some. I also didn't like, if you'll see in the video of me trying it on, it fit perfectly in some areas, but then in other areas it was really loose. So I don't know if going down a size would alleviate that, but then make the areas that fit well be too snug. And I know I could take things in, but that's just such a pain in the butt. In the waist, it fit perfectly. Now that is elastic, so even if I were to go down a size, it would still stretch. But for some reason in the armpit area, it was really baggy, and it had so much extra fabric. I would have liked it better if it had clung to me more, and it just didn't. This is also, can you hear that? That is a noisy dress. So if I'm constantly walking around, you're just hearing that. It sounds like wind happening, which is such a nitpicky thing for me to say, but that's how I feel. I like the neckline of it. I like this higher neckline, and then it comes down into a little bit of a cutout here. Not necessarily a V, but just a little opening there. I wanted to like this dress. It also doesn't have pockets, so like that's an automatic, like, you could have had me with pockets, but you didn't. Just kidding, kind of, not really. I do like dresses with pockets. I gotta put my phone somewhere, my keys for work and stuff like that. So as much as I wanted to like this one, once I saw it on, I was just like, not so much. But if you are interested, all of the information for these items are in the description below. So if you missed what I said about this one, just go to the description, it'll all be there. So those are the items that I got for July. Based on that, if I kept everything, the grand total would be $266. You get all 5, get the discount 25% off. It would take $66.50 off. It would bring it to $199.50. I also have a promo because someone signed up with my referral link, which is also in the description below if you're interested. Thank you to the person who signed up. I appreciate it. It would bring it to $174.50, but because I am not keeping everything, I'm only keeping those 2 items, which are $58 and $44, which I believe brings me to $77. It's a lot better than $174. I just don't see a point in keeping all the other items if I'm not happy with them. So I'm willing to spend $77. That is with the discount of $25. No, I'm not that bad at math. But yeah, so 58, 42, minus 25, I believe that's 77. But that is what I am keeping this month, the jeans and the long sleeve blouse. Very happy with those items. Good for work as a night out or something like that. Let me know in the comments below what item was your favorite. If you have Stitch Fix, have there been any items you have found yourself loving recently? Are you kind of like me and you're trying to stick with just one, or are you just buying everything in the box like I used to do? Let me know in the comments below. The information for all of these items are in the description below if you do get Stitch Fix and you're interested in any of them. My referral link is also in the description below if you would like to try it out for yourself. If you do sign up with my link, I do get $25 off, which is great. It kind of helps keep this type of video going. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big ol' thumbs up. Go down there and hit that subscribe button wherever it may be, because I don't know, even though I do, this is just my shtick now. Also hit that notification bell in case you want to know when I upload, and in case YouTube wants to let you know when I upload, because I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys.